Welcome to CarBuyMe with Camryn, where I give you tips to personalize any model to your taste. Today we're looking at the 2021 VW Atlas. This is the Technology Edition. All black except for that chrome in there. Very sleek. It's like a city vehicle, family car that seats up to 6 people comfortably. It's sort of like the mom that just can't embrace the minivan, and maybe you're not in the Lexus BMW range. This is a more affordable luxury SUV. So the VW Atlas comes with this keyless fob. If you ever walk up to your car and you're carrying literally all your groceries in one hand because you're trying to peak in efficiency in that moment, maybe overcompensating, that's between you and your therapist. All you have to do is walk up to the car. As long as it's in your purse or in your pocket, you can just unlock it just like that. Don't even need the key. You also have this feature for the trunk. So if you walk up to the trunk and you have a bunch of stuff in your hands, all you have to do is just kick your foot under here. Look at that. It's a beautiful thing. So the cargo trunk liner also comes standard with this vehicle. It is an upgrade that you can add to pretty much any car, but this one is going to come standard. The benefit to this is, let's say that you are carrying a cooler or a crock pot or something like that, and it tips over in the back seat. It makes much easier cleanup. Also comes with the roadside assistance kit and a first aid kit, which is really nice. The Atlas also comes with a bumperdillo, which is unique to VW. So this is a protection accessory you can add on to another vehicle. This is going to protect your car from paint scratches. Maybe you're loading something into the car and it'll protect it from scratching here, or all of that rainwater, leaves, debris that are just like lurking opportunists waiting to fall into the car when you open the trunk. You know what I'm talking about. This will protect from all of those things. Okay, so the Atlas is extremely roomy. You can fit 6 people very, very comfortably in here. In fact, somebody that's 6'2" could sit in that middle row and be perfectly fine. There's 3rd row seating all the way to the back. You can always lay these down if you want extra storage space. Maybe you're putting a kayak or a canoe, a mountain bike in the back, or I don't know what you're doing. Maybe you want to put your dog back there. There's leather seats, which makes for easy cleanup. So this is, of course, an upgrade. You can add leather on to pretty much any vehicle, but this will make for easier cleanup. Let's not forget these all-weather mats, which come standard on this vehicle. The all-weather mats are great for, let's say you're coming in from the beach, the baseball field, or just literally living your life on a Tuesday. These all-weather mats, again, are going to make for easy cleanup, so it's a protection accessory, and again, that's an upgrade. Also, can we just talk about the ridiculous depth of the middle console in this car? I literally have a duffel bag in here.